Hey Trader, Spartan here for November 28th, 2022 daily recap. Let's talk about what we did today. So a couple things on the equity side. Equity, as typical, we had a higher hit rate or pretty high hit rate on this. So Tesla, we came in long 8 points on that. We ended up rolling to some options, which worked out nicely as well. We ended up grabbing some AXSM short on the extension this morning. Didn't really work, got stopped out of that one. Then we went long for about a point. Then we went short here on the break of the EMA support, got 2 points on that to the downside. So it ended up being a pretty decent trade in the end. AAP long on that relative strength, intraday off the lows, 2 points on that. Baidu long this morning for 2 points. Favorite trade of the day was this GCT. We grabbed it around 680. I also tweeted this out, and if I gave this for free guidance too as well in the free Discord, guys. There's a link in the bio if you want to join. But 680 got in. We had a really tight stop at 650, which was super low risk, and I had my target was 780 on the upside, and we ended up getting that, and then into the $8 area, swinging a little bit of a piece of that overnight. So really nice trade there. Very happy with it. SPX 3970, 3965 put spread, 4,400% on that one. We lagged into it as we typically do on the spreads. AXSM, when we actually failed that that short, we ended up getting stopped out. We immediately rolled into 100 calls or grabbed 100 calls, and we made 150% on those. So it also made up for that loss. Win. Huge dip this morning. I thought it was way overdone, like right into last day's high. Perfect place to buy on that support. Ended up holding 125% on the 80 calls, so I was happy with that. SPX 420 calls for 46% this morning. We ended up grabbing some calls at the end of the day. I think it was for about 70%. It was the 3960s on a scalp. That was a good one. A little bit less, actually, for doing the math in my head, about 60%, so not bad. And then we also had some Tesla 190s for 47% and SPX 3980 calls. We scalped this when the SPY was bouncing a couple times. Those ended up working pretty decent for 30%. A couple trades didn't work this morning. We did some Walmart and Disney on the option side. Those failed, so unfortunately those didn't work. We tried Afrin long intraday. That didn't work on the equity side. And I believe that's it. Yeah, that is. Lilly. Lilly was another one. I'm going to keep an eye on this one for tomorrow, but I love the daily for a breakout. Drug names look good. We ended up grabbing some calls, starter, ended up having just to exit that position. I was going to swing it, but didn't look great at the end of the day. Market in general, guys, came back, pulled into EMA support. Uptrend still intact. I'm looking for a bounce tomorrow. We'll see what happens in that regard. We're going to gap probably one way or the other. If we gap down below this level, it's going to be a retest. And we'll see if we reclaim and get a push back up. Otherwise, we'll see failure, probably retest the 50 EMA in the short term. But I think uptrend support is still pretty strong here. So that's what I'm looking at. If you guys want to come join us in chat, you can certainly do so. Go to SpartanTrading.com. Like I said, Cyber Monday deals on now. Black Friday deals are on till midnight as well today. And that's it. Have a good one, guys. Enjoy, and we'll talk to you later.